back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 4 main things which I have incorporated into my lifestyle for healthy skin and healthy body. Also, it helps to boost up the immunity system, and of course it's very much important to keep your immune stronger, especially during these times. So no matter आप कितने भी अच्छे skin care and body care products use कर लो, you still have to intake and do few things for your body so that you can, stay healthy and maintain a healthy skin and body. And without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, सबसे पहले I'm gonna talk about few things जो मैंने अपने diet में include की है. तो सबसे पहले I have been drinking these 2 drinks and I like to call them my magic potions. First one is the lemon turmeric water. So what I do is I just take a pinch of turmeric and few drops of lemon in hot water and I drink it every morning after waking up. So lemon और turmeric जो होते हैं उसमें antioxidant properties होती है which is so good for your skin. Also, it helps to reduce weight and keeps your immune stronger at the same time. Now, second one is called Kadha. I'm sure you must have heard about this drink. So it's like a very old traditional Indian herbal tea which we like to drink every night after having dinner. So my mom makes it with almost 8 to 10 ingredients, and the other day I also posted this story on my Instagram and you guys were asking for the recipe and for the ingredients also. So I'm gonna mention everything in the description box below, the recipe and the ingredients. So Kadha is such a great immunity booster. Now why we like to drink it after dinner specifically is because it's great for the digestion. My body instantly feels light after consuming Kadha. तो काढ़ा एक बहुत ही अच्छी इफेक्टिव हर्बल टी सॉर्ट ऑफ ड्रिंक है जो आपको डेफिनेटली सेफ एंड हेल्दी रखेगी. नाउ सेकेंडली आई हैव स्टार्टेड इन टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रूट्स which are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C में antioxidant properties होती हैं, so it fades away any kind of hyperpigmentation, signs of aging and makes your skin glowy, radiant and youthful. Also, it helps to boost up the immune system as well. So the stronger the immunity, the safer you are. Number 2 is I have been using this herbal hand sanitizer by Hamaste, keeping the hand care aspect in mind, because let's all agree we must have used a lot of different sanitizers जिसने हमारे hands को ऐसे डल और सहारा डेजर्ट जैसा बना दिया होगा बेसिकली. एंड क्योंकि अब सैनिटाइजर तो जैसे सांस लेने जितना एसेंशियल हो चुका है एंड वी हैव टू यूज इट इन द लॉन्ग रन, सो इट्स बेटर टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर कोमल हाथ एंड यूज अ गुड क्वालिटी हर्बल सैनिटाइजर जो जर्म्स को भी टाटा बाय बाय कर दे और हमारे हैंड्स को भी मॉइस्चराइज्ड रखे. तो हमस्ते के इस हैंड सैनिटाइजर में 70% अल्कोहल है विच इज कंप्लीटली इनफ टू किल जर्म्स एज पर द स्टडीज. Also guys, इसमें एलोवेरा भी है and do I even need to explain how amazing is aloe vera for your skin? I am getting the goodness of aloe vera in a hand sanitizer. What else do I need? So मैंने तो इस कोरोना काल को साक्षी मान के इस सैनिटाइजर को एक ट्रैवल साइज बॉटल में ट्रांसफर करके अपने कदम कदम का साथी बना लिया है. एंड आई वुड रेकमेंड यू गाइज ऑल्सो टू प्लीज स्टार्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हैंड्स. Make sure that you use a hand cream after washing your hands and use a good quality herbal hand sanitizer. So all I want to say is get your hands on Hamaste and spend the rest of your 2020 haste haste. So yes, link would be in the description box below just in case you guys would like to check out this product. Number 3 is I have indulged myself into workouts and yoga. So it depends upon my mood, to be honest. Some days I feel like working out and some days I feel like doing yoga. But I actually prefer yoga over workouts because it just calms me down and it helps me feel relaxed and positive. And it also keeps the body healthy in a lot of ways. Like it makes you more flexible, it improves your blood circulation, improves your metabolism and also helps to reduce weight. So basically it overall improves the quality of your life, and I would definitely suggest you guys to try yoga once and your body would actually feel good from within. Now fourth and the last thing which I do occasionally, say twice or thrice a week maybe, is taking steam. Earlier I used to think कि we should only take steam if we are having cold, but I was so wrong because inhaling the steam actually soothes your respiratory system in general. In fact, steaming is recommended by a lot of doctors also these days because as per them it raises the temperature of your lungs, throat and mouth. So just in case the virus is already there, it gets inactivated due to high temperature. And guess what? Steaming not only benefits your body but your skin too. So face steaming deeply cleanses the skin, it detoxifies and hydrates the skin, improves the blood circulation and basically helps your skin to relax. So just try steaming once and you would notice that your skin would feel fresh and nice. And yes, that's all for the video. Those were my top 4 things which I have included in my day-to-day life to maintain healthy skin and healthy body. I hope you guys found the video helpful. Let me know what do you look forward to implement in your lifestyle from this video. And yes, if you like this video, then please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Just in case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below as always. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.